As you would have it, many of our huge Talmidei Chachamim were also big Kiruv rabbis. One of them, his name was Chofetz Chaim. You guys heard of Chofetz Chaim, right? Chofetz Chaim, heard of it. Recognizable name. Shtabach Shimo. Chofetz Chaim was not only the Baal Mishnah Brura and also the Chofetz Chaim, but he was also an enormous Kiruv rabbi. Literally, was willing to go door to door, knocking on people's doors, trying to help them do tshuva. Old man, 100 years old, please, just somebody take me door to door, I'll help him do tshuva. He met one guy one time that was a big donor. But it was Mechalel Shabbat. And the guy came to the Rav to shake his hand. The Chofetz Chaim shook his hand but didn't let go. And the guy is holding a holy hand. Okay, don't let go. Only problem is he started seeing the Chofetz Chaim starts to cry. Hysterical, with tears, mamash, tears. And he goes, Kvod Rav, did I do something wrong? What happened? You okay? It's so bad, it's so terrible, I can't believe it. So horrible, so awful. And he starts crying, somebody's dying. What happened? Kvod Rav, anything I can do? What? No more money? No, it's so fat, so terrible. It's so terrible that this wonderful, generous hand is going to be burned in Gehenom for forever. It's so horrible. Such a generous hand. It's so awful how this generous hand is going to be burned in Gehenom forever. Why, Kvod Rav? You're Mechalel Shabbat. What can we do? It's so horrible, so terrible. He's crying like he's mamash. He sees his hand burning on fire. Okay, Kvod Rav, fine. I'll keep Shabbat. Just give me like 5-6 weeks to set up my businesses. And then I'll start keeping Shabbat for the Kvod Rav. It's for you. Chofetz Chaim starts crying even more. No way, Kvod Rav, no, it's no good. Last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. He goes, wait, it's my Shabbat. It's my Shabbat. If it was my Shabbat, I tell you do what you want. It's not my Shabbat. It's HaKadosh Baruch Hu Shabbat. It's so terrible, it's so awful that this generous hand, wonderful heart attached to it, is going to be burned in Gehenom forever. You see the Gedol Ador, almost 100 years old, starts crying, you do tshuva. The guy says, Kvod Rav, this Shabbat I'm keeping. From now on, keep Shabbat. The Chofetz Chaim had no shortage of tests. When he was writing the Mishnah Brura, he had all types of tests. One day, his dear son got sick, really sick. Chofetz Chaim did not slow down. He knew that this Mishnah Brura has to be written. Sick, no sick, we got to do it. Why? Am Yisrael needs this Torah. Son died. Son died. You think, Chofetz Chaim say, okay, son died, that's it, okay, finished, I'm going back, I'm going to take care of the... Chofetz Chaim says out loud, and people saw it. He says, Yetzirah, what do you think? That if you take my son's neshama, I'm going to stop teaching Torah? Stop helping Am Yisrael? Dafka, I'm going to do more now. Dafka, we're going to publicize this book everywhere. And that's what he did. You have a bigger Yetzirah than that? Baruch Hashem, the Yetzirah is not killing your firstborn son. And Bezrat Hashem, he never will. But you see that when somebody deals with something that's going to help the klal, tests are enormous. The tests are enormous. The bigger the influence, the bigger the test.